So hello guys, what's up? This is me, Manang Jesay, and in today's video guys, another app na naman ang ituturo ko sa inyo. Palupitan guys, sobra. Tapos ngayon ko lang ito nalaman guys na meron palang CCTV camera sa ating cellphone. So ayun, tinry ko. Okay naman siya, ang dali lang gawin. All you need to do is to download first on Play Store. Okay? Hello guys, good morning. So, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, ngayon ituro ko naman sa inyo kung paano mag-set sa settings sa CCTV camera. So, unahin na natin yung front camera. So, go to CCTV camera. And then, ayan. So, makita natin dito, video recorder, record videos, pull up on camera settings. Go to camera settings para mag-set. So, for example, guys, gusto nyo ng front. So, gusto nyo front, guys. So, just update. Ayan. So, and then, go to video recorder. Tapos, guys, pag mag-start kayo, just click this one. Okay? So, for example, we will try. So ngayon guys, papakita ko naman yung back view sa ating CCTV camera recorder. So just camera settings. Ayan, so ayan po, nag-white na yung rear. So update lang guys. Just update. Tapos video recorder. Tapos, kung gusto nyo nang mag-play guys, just click this, guys, this one. So, tingnan natin guys, yung natin. Ayan, so napakadali lang. So, napakadali lang guys gawin. All you need to do is to follow the steps. And, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, kung napabisit ka sa channel ko, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel para naman updated ka sa mga latest ko na video. Thank you so much.